Hey guys, my name's Cian Byrne. I'm a data analyst here at SailGP, and we are here in the Oracle Performance Engineering container. So in here we've got 3 different groups of engineers. We've got data analysts, we've got systems engineers, and we've got simulator engineers. And all the work we do really hinges off the Oracle Cloud and the data that gets streamed through it from the boats out in the water. So every second we get about 3,500 data points per boat. So we've got a huge amount of data that gets streamed back to the Oracle database in London and then comes beamed back to us here, so that we've got heaps of dashboards that allows us to fulfill loads of different rules on the roles while the boats are sailing, both live and after the race. So the performance of the Oracle Cloud really enables us to make split-second decisions. So as soon as something goes wrong on the boat, we can see that here in the data, and we can ensure that spare parts, code changes get sent out to the water as soon as possible so that boats don't miss racing. On the other hand, the data that comes in gets digested by the performance data analysts, and we can run algorithms that automatically detect when tacks happen, jibes, anytime the boat maneuvers through the wind. We can detect when the boat's sailing in a steady straight line state, and then that data gets stored back in an Oracle database. And it is then digestible by all the coaches and the support staff in the coaches booth, and they can feed that data back live to the sailors. And what's really unique with SailGP is the fact that all of the boats can see all of the other boats' data. So all the teams can access, GBR can access the Aussie data live, so they know instantly how they've set up their boat, they know how they're maneuvering their boat, and then if they think that they can make improvements, that can be fed back instantly while racing, and that's all data-based insight powered by Oracle Cloud. Yeah, one of the biggest challenges we face here at SailGP is just the enormous amount of data that gets streamed off the water. So we've got 125 sensors on each boat, and they're producing an awful lot of data. So for us to actually make sense and use that data efficiently, it's really important to have the infrastructure behind us, such as the Oracle Cloud, that allows us to build processes that combines the data in useful, meaningful ways. Otherwise, just a cloud of data points doesn't really tell a story until you process it into a way that becomes usable by both the engineers and by the sailors in order to influence their decisions on the water and get the best performance out of the boat. So I think, definitely in conclusion, the Oracle Cloud has provided a really usable interface for us engineers to interact with all the data that we get off these boats, and it really pushes forward the capabilities of this racing competition and allows all the teams to perform at their best every day they're on the water.
So my name's Iain Murray. I'm the race manager for SailGP. I'm here in our office of where we run and manage the racing from. Generally, we work with a pile of information about the weather, the boats, the winds, the performance of the boats, and we work out the courses and the race times, and obviously there's a TV schedule that we have to work and broadcasters we have to work with, but also, from there, there's 12 competitors out there. They're all building a huge amount of data that is brought in, taken up into the cloud, analysed, shared out amongst the competitors and the race officers and the umpires. Obviously Oracle have been here with us in the America's Cup and since the inception of SailGP 5-6 years ago, and the progress through to operating in the cloud, all of the data collection and management tools provided by Oracle has been fundamental to the growth and learnings within SailGP. And with everyone making huge learnings, thank you very much, Oracle.